Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're exploring real-time payroll processing with ECP. This powerful feature revolutionizes how organizations manage their payroll, ensuring accuracy and efficiency. Introduction to real-time payroll processing. In this segment, we'll discuss the significance of real-time payroll processing and how ECP transforms traditional payroll methods into a streamlined, automated experience. What is SAP SuccessFactors ECP? SAP SuccessFactors ECP is a cloud-based payroll solution that integrates seamlessly with SAP's Human Experience Management suite. It automates payroll processes, minimizes errors, and ensures compliance with local regulations across multiple countries. Key benefits of real-time payroll processing. 1. Immediate payroll calculations. Real-time payroll processing allows organizations to calculate payroll as soon as employee data changes, such as promotions or new hires, ensuring that payroll outcomes are available immediately. This reduces the end-of-cycle rush and enhances accuracy. 2. Enhanced data accuracy. With real-time integration between Employee Central and ECP, any updates in employee records are instantly reflected in the payroll system. This minimizes the risk of discrepancies and ensures that employees are paid accurately and on time. 3. Proactive monitoring. The Unified Payroll Control Center provides organizations with real-time insights into payroll data quality and accuracy. This proactive approach allows for quick adjustments before finalizing payroll, reducing errors significantly. 4. Streamlined compliance. ECP supports compliance with local laws in over 50 countries, automatically updating tax regulations and other requirements. This ensures that organizations remain compliant without the need for manual intervention. How real-time processing works. Integration with Employee Central. ECP integrates directly with Employee Central, enabling seamless data transfer. Changes such as attendance, overtime, or leave balances are captured in real time, ensuring accurate payroll calculations. Automated workflows. The system automates various payroll tasks, reducing manual effort and allowing HR teams to focus on strategic initiatives rather than administrative tasks. Real-world applications. We'll share examples of organizations that have successfully implemented real-time payroll processing with ECP, showcasing how they improved efficiency and employee satisfaction through timely payments and reduced errors. Conclusion. Real-time payroll processing with SAP SuccessFactors Employee Central Payroll is a game-changer for organizations looking to streamline their payroll operations. By leveraging automation and integration, companies can enhance accuracy, ensure compliance, and improve overall efficiency. If you found this video insightful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more content on SAP solutions, and hit the notification bell for updates. Thank you for watching.